Today on Designing Spaces, helping homeowners save time and money with high-efficiency, high-tech water heaters from A.O. Smith. Learning how to close and winterize your pool properly with HTH Pool Care products. Keeping your home bug-free. Plus, safeguarding your pets while still allowing them to roam free. Time to design. When you move into a home, you probably don't think about what makes the home operate, the air conditioning system, the electricity, and the water system. But you should. Installing a new water heater can dramatically change the way your house functions. With new high-tech options, you can save time, space, and money.
We purchased a home in 2018 and we did a few renovations on the house. We got the foundation adjusted. We had some sinking in spots, and so we got that fixed up. The roof was new when we bought it, which is great, part of the initial house purchase. And just recently we had some windows done, which is great. We already had a water heater when we purchased the home. It was functioning and it was working fine. There was no issues with it. We haven't had to do any maintenance on our water heater, which is great. There's the cost savings have been great for us. We have hot water when we need it. It's reliable, and we're always excited about that.
For over 150 years, A.O. Smith has been innovating not only the water heater industry, but many different industries. We started out making bicycles in the 1800s and moved on to car frames, but we really built this business on two things: glass lining and our welding practices. In 1936, we patented the first glass-lined steel tank, and we've been innovating ever since. Our #1 focus is to save our customers money and make the best products out there. So energy efficiency is very important to us. Finding the right water heater can be an overwhelming experience for any customer. Fortunately for you, A.O. Smith has the new Signature Series line of smart hybrid electric heat pump water heaters. And I'm going to give you 3 key features that make this water heater the most cost-effective, energy-efficient option for customers that want to save money on their utility bills. Number 1, it's money savings. This water heater uses the heat and humidity from room air to actually heat the water, making them up to 4 times as efficient as standard electric models, saving customers over $600 a year in energy costs. Number 2, advanced technology. With standard features like Leak Watch and Leak Shield, we can detect a leak and shut off the incoming water if a leak is detected. And with our ICOM app, you can get notifications and control the water heater from anywhere through your phone. Number 3, flexibility. Even if you currently have gas now, the 120-volt model is the smart choice. This water heater was specifically designed for those gas to electric conversions. It has all the advantages of a 240-volt model wrapped in a 120-volt package. Simply plug this into a standard 120-volt outlet and start saving money.
The ICOM app is great because you can check water temperature. It's really easy to use and navigate, and it's always maintains our water heater temperature. Temperature is important because we have a small baby and we want to make sure she's taken care of and the water isn't too hot for her when we're giving her bath. So we really appreciate the accessibility of maintaining temperature with our water heater for sure. So our house is one of our biggest investments, and we really want to make sure that our house is protected from flood or any other kind of disturbance around the house. So having leak protection is wonderful, and it gives us a little bit of peace of mind about our garage or other assets getting underwater. So we're thankful for that.
We recently introduced our new Signature Series premium condensing gas tankless water heater with X3 scale prevention technology. This water heater is the most flexible water heater on the market today, and I'm going to give you the 3 key features that set this water heater apart from others. Number 1, X3 scale prevention technology. This technology will either reduce or eliminate scale buildup due to hard water scale. Number 2, instant hot water. We all know that homeowners hate waiting for hot water. So this water heater has a built-in recirculation pump that will give you that hot water when they need it most. Number 3, you can install this water heater anywhere. One water heater can be installed with 2-inch venting, 1/2-inch gas line. It can be indoor, it can be outdoor. You can have natural gas or convert it to LP. This water heater will meet any customer's needs. Adding any A.O. Smith water heater is going to ensure that you have the most energy efficient, cost-effective solution for your home.
So we have a house that we rent out, and the water heater went out and the renter said they needed a new one. So we were looking around at our options, and we decided to pick an A.O. Smith water heater for the new house.
So we installed it within the week that it went out. It was nice and quick. We got it over to the house. We would do it again in a heartbeat.
If you're looking for a water heater, do your research. Having the right water heater for your home is very important. If you're unsure, you can always go to Lowe's.com, or you can go to the Lowe's store and talk to a Lowe's associate. They can help you find the right A.O. Smith water heater for your home.
It's time to start saving money with a new water heater. Visit aosmith@lowes.com/DSTV to learn more. Or our website, designingspaces.tv.
As we say goodbye to summer, pack away the swimsuits and sunscreen, it's also time to close up the pool. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-timer, having the right products makes the transition easy. As summer winds down, it's time to start thinking about closing your pool. But when should you do it? Well, it really depends on your location and your family schedule. If you're looking to extend your pool time, you can use HTH Liquid Solar Blanket to reduce heat and water loss, helping you to get the most out of your pool. In warmer climates, you can keep the pool open year-round with regular maintenance, just less often. But for those in colder climates, when the water temperature drops below 65 degrees, it's time to close it up. Here's a quick guide to help you close your pool properly with HTH Pool Care products. Start by picking up an HTH Pool Care kit. Each kit has everything you need to treat up to 20,000 gallons of water. If you can't find a kit, don't worry, you can always purchase the individual products. First, test your water using HTH Pool Care 6-way test strips. You can scan the strip in the handy HTH Test to Swim app for customized recommendations, or simply text a photo of the strip to HTH123 for detailed results. Make water balance adjustments as needed based on the results. Shock the water with the HTH Pool Care Shock, which will kill any bacteria and algae in the water. Run the filter overnight. The next day, it's time to protect your pool from those pesky algae. Just add some HTH Pool Care Algae Guard granules. This will keep algae from creeping in. Once that's dissolved, you'll want to add HTH Pool Care Metal Stain and Scale Control. This step helps safeguard your pool from any unsightly stains or scaling. Keep your filter running for 24 to 48 hours, then give the pool a good vacuuming, empty the pool pump, and skimmer baskets. Finally, follow your pool manufacturer's winterizing instructions and cover your pool with a proper fitting cover. With HTH Pool Care, closing your pool is simple and stress-free, so you can dive into the next pool season knowing it'll be cannonball ready. You're all clear with HTH. For more information, check out hthpools.com or visit our website, designingspaces.tv.
Our home is indeed our castle, but don't bug out, because sometimes we are inadvertently sharing our space with some unwanted creepy crawlers. They may be lurking under the floorboards, perhaps even in our beds. But help is on the way. One unique service is making sure we can have peace of mind at home, from the inside out.
Pompano Beach is awesome. For me, it's the best place in South Florida. It's a little break from all the craziness that's going on in Miami, but you still get to enjoy the beach. You still get to enjoy everything that South Florida has to offer.
My name is Morel.
And my name's Dominic.
So we treat pest activity of all kinds in residential homes. So I show up to a customer's home, take care of their pest problems, both inside and out. My name is Trent Fraser. I'm a certified service professional for Aptive Environmental. I'm here to take care of the customer here. So I'm going to be matching the customer with the perfect package that's custom suited to make sure we take care of their pest problem entirely.
The roaches are definitely the worst.
There's a lot of concerns that I have about the pests. I don't want anybody in my family to get sick from any of the things that they might transmit.
The spider was really a scare because I think it was a dangerous spider that we had out back.
We thought it was a brown recluse that ended up being a wolf spider, but Still, you don't want spiders everywhere biting people. Well, it's like an invasion. You don't really feel safe. I mean, these little things are just everywhere. They're eating the wood in your attic. They're crawling in your walls. They're, you know, there's no escape.
I had a roach crawl on the wall in my room and I just could not handle it. So it was a really scary, I'm really scared of roaches in particular.
Yeah, as a service professional, I have the opportunity to make sure our customers enjoy their home. So I'm able to arrive here, assess the situation, see what the problem is, see what might be causing it, and take care of it for them.
Oh my gosh, like I can't sleep. I literally stayed up all night one night because I saw one. And then finally fell asleep, but I left all the lights on. If I see one like under the couch, I have to pull everything away and I can't sleep until I actually find it and kill it.
So when I arrived, I talked to Dominic and Morel about their pest problem. They communicated that they had a lot of roach problems, and that's what she was primarily concerned about. And so I assessed the situation, inspected their kitchen, and did see some roach activity, so I know exactly what to do to take care of that. Also saw their spider and ant activity, and so I'm gonna be treating both the current condition to make sure that I take care of what's here now, and then putting treatments down to make sure that I can take care of them for the future as well.
We just couldn't handle it ourselves anymore because we were trying to, you know, treat and get rid of them and clean the house and do everything we could. But the truth is, once they get in, you can clean the house as much as you want. You can try to get your own kind of store-bought products, but nothing compares to getting a professional in here to do the job.
So when I was hired by Aptive, they put me through a pretty intensive curriculum where they taught me that in order to take care of pests, I have to know where they live, what they're eating, what they're drinking, and how they're entering. And so if I identify what they're eating, then I can resolve that with the customer to make sure that there's no reason to be there in the first place. If I know where they're living, then I can treat them there, treat them at the source, and take care of them. And then if I know where they're entering, I can put down a barrier and protect the home itself. So that way I can get rid of what's here now, and I can create an environment where they won't be able to reinfest and come back inside the home.
Before Aptive, it was like having an invasion. I didn't feel safe in my home, my kids didn't feel safe, my wife really didn't feel safe. So after Aptive, it was like we could breathe free and we were able to relax and enjoy our home.
Customers want to feel safe in their home, so we use the highest quality products and service to provide that peace of mind.
My advice is if you're thinking about calling Aptive, to do it, because who wants to live with all these pests? It's like an invasion.
I have peace of mind now after using Aptive because I know that my home is safe for my pets and my children, and we can just enjoy everything and not worry about any pests.
My favorite part of my job is I get to serve my customers all day long. It's extremely gratifying for me. And if the bugs come back, Aptive comes back at no additional cost.
To learn more about Aptive and keeping your home pest-free, visit goaptive.com or visit us at designingspaces.tv for more information. Americans love their pets. We spend over $100 billion a year on their safety and care. And when it comes to keeping our four-legged best friends safe, it's important we choose wisely and put our trust in the right hands, or paws, as the case may be.
Hi, I'm Melanie Clayman, or better known as the dog mom to Instagram celebrity therapy dogs, the three retrievers, Georgia, Archie, Oakley, and Winston. I grew up with small dogs, but I've always loved Goldens and Labs. So as soon as I graduated from college, I got my first Golden Retriever, Parker. Since then, I've had 4 more Goldens and a Lab, all of which have become certified therapy dogs. I also feature their work on our social media page, The Three Retrievers, to spread more joy around the world. In order to do this successfully, I must keep their safety and continuous training at the top of my priorities, and this is why I invested in Invisible Fence brand and their top-notch trainers like Ashley.
Hi, Melanie.
Hi.
These guys are so beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you for putting your faith in us.
Of course.
So can you tell me about your experience at Invisible Fence brand?
You bet. Like most pet owners, our dogs are part of our family, so safety is our #1 priority. So I just did some research and I found Invisible Fence brand, and they came out and installed the underground fence system, which was a huge game changer.
I bet. So I also know you have some of our indoor solutions. Can you share that experience with us?
Oh yes, we do. So in this home, we have the Dorman pet door installed, and it's just so great knowing that the dogs can go in and out as they please.
Now I noticed too, when we walked in with 4 dogs, none of them went right up to us, but I did see something there.
Yes, so Invisible Fence makes these indoor shield units that I can put in front of the front door, and it prevents the dogs from getting too close to the front door, so when guests come over, they don't immediately go up to them and start jumping on them, and they can't run out the front door and start roaming the neighborhood.
That's right, and Invisible Fence brand is more than just working with dogs, and actually here to tell us more about that is Tyler.
That's right, Ashley. Our solutions cater to all pets, not just cats and dogs. You need to keep your cat away from a hamster cage? We can absolutely help with that.
And unlike other brands, we really focus on the individual training of the dog. So we customize it to what you and your dog needs. And when we combine the training with our range of products, we have over a 99% retention rate.
Come on, let's take a look. Whether it's indoors or outdoors, Invisible Fence has your back. We can help keep dogs out of certain areas like bedrooms, deter cats from jumping onto counters, or even allow pets to roam off-leash in their yard. Our goal is to create a space where pets can thrive while providing peace of mind to their owners. Our newest product is our GPS collar, equipped with the world's most accurate GPS fence technology. You can customize and design up to 20 fences, whether you're on the go or at home. And you gain exclusive access to our GPS video series.
Another one of our offerings is our manners obedience training, where we start in the home with you, your family, and your dog, and focus on the goals that you have with each other.
And speaking of being on their best behavior,
when the dogs travel to hotels, schools, and other places, I can bring the portable indoor shields unit with me to create areas that are off limits in indoor spaces on the go. And if we ever have any questions or need assistance, Invisible Fence brand is always there for us. They have real people that come out and come up with a solution that works for us and our pets' needs. The peace of mind that comes with knowing that Georgia, Archie, Oakley, and Winston are safe and happy is truly priceless. And I really appreciate that Invisible Fence brand is committed to supporting animal rescues and shelters.
It is great. We really are passionate about the community. Each year, we host a From the Shelter to Forever Home contest, where you can nominate a shelter to win a variety of cash prizes. Enhance your bond and keep your pet safe with Invisible Fence brand, and join us in our mission to support local animal shelters and rescues.
Invisible Fence Solutions, protecting pets, empowering owners. To learn more, follow at Invisible Fence and at the 3 Retrievers. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.